In today's training, you're going to learn how to access Google Veo3 without paying a dime. If you're ready, then let us go.
But before we dive deeper into today's video, if this is your first time watching my video, I am Kyle from OK Media, where we share information on business opportunities, personal growth, and financial growth strategies. So if you're new to this channel or you are not a subscriber yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to join the OK family. Then like and share this video with friends that you know will benefit from it. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like any of my videos, you are not only assisting me with the YouTube growth algorithm, you're also encouraging me to put out more helpful content like this. So without much ado, let us get into the business of today.
There are two ways to do that, and I'm going to show you the two ways. So what we want to do now is to search for Google app. Click on Flow down here. Okay, so this is the Flow interface. But let us open another tab. Let me show you the second way by which you can get there. You come to your browser and you just type V3. Veo3. Then you want to click on this Google Gemini. Okay, so now we are in this interface. So you want to do subscription. Down, you can see to be a Google AI Pro user, you sign up for the first month for free. So let's go back to Flow here. I'm going to show you something. You can see it says create a project to start. Yes, you can click it, but it's telling you now that you must be a Google AI subscriber to generate that. Feel free to look around in the meanwhile. So you have to subscribe first before you'll be able to use Flow. Now if you click subscribe, let's see where it will take you to. Flow. You can see it's telling you again that you have to pay 28,500, but you can use it for the first month for free, and this is the same thing that we have here. Okay, so it is these two ways that you can do this. So we are just going to go ahead and register for the Pro. You see, when you register, you'll be able to use the Flow filmmaking to create cinematic scenes and stories, including limited access to Veo3. And you have 1,000 free AI credits that's across Flow and Whisk. It also includes Google One subscription. Okay, that you have access to Gemini app, all these features. So you can see. So we are just going to go ahead and just create an AI Pro account. Then you click I agree. So you want to pay with a card. So now you'll be entering your card details. So now the account has been saved. Now click save. You can see that I have a Google AI Pro account, 2 terabytes, and starting today, 1 month free. By 30th of July, I'll be charged this, no tax. Subscribing on paid. Cancel anytime in subscription in Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before this. We'll send you a reminder for 7 days. Subscribe, and boom, you are subscribed.
Now that you already know how to get Google Veo3 for free, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So till I come your way again, bye bye.